You will.
Ilan taon na po kayo?
I'm 51-year-old.
51-year-old? Wow.
Yes.
Parang 19 lang kayo.
Oh, thank you. I promise my son is Nino, his name is Nino. Anak, is anak. I told him to come home to Philippines and I bring him to Wawawi. So, anak, is anak, tell him hi.
Thank you.
He's leaving tomorrow morning
Oh, going back to?
to state. He's
Okay.
in Travis Air Force Base. He's a military, he's in Air Force.
Hello. Welcome to Wawawi. Thank you for being here, alright?
And my auntie and my brother. Today is our pista in Abuyog Leyte, Mayor. Sorry we cannot go to your house. I'm here on Wawawi.
Alright, nanay. Salamat po, nanay. Parang magluluto lang kayo, no? Okay, good.
Huwag kang magulo, anak.
Good luck, nanay. Have a chance to win 10,000 for man. Ito po ang tanong. Nanay din, sanggalin mo, ha? Ito. Tangoy po na sila ng baba, okay? Kung ang matingkad ay bright, ano naman ang matangkad? Is correct!